Tacticon Skin Reload is like a natural extension of your hand. It is a programmable wearable mouse that recognizes your voice and gestures to make your work more productive and fun. You can use T-Skin Reload to control 3D modeling applications, PowerPoint presentations, VR and AR devices, robots, drones, and games joypads. Or, use it as a mouse for your PC. With voice and gesture control, you're free to move. Its intuitive control boosts your productivity and makes using your computer more enjoyable. It gives you 3 functions in one wearable and portable device: mouse, presenter, touchpad. It's so simple to set up and use. Just place it on its charger and move the pointer with your fingers. Now it also has voice control, adding an extra dimension to what is possible. Now you can open and close programs, zoom in, and more, all through the power of your voice. For ultimate control, use voice commands and hand gestures together. Tacticon Skin Reload detects your hands' movements, while the touch keyboard tracks pressure from your 4 fingers. Combine these 2 factors to create complex gestures that give you ultimate control. Upcore the first EMS-powered posture corrector to tone your muscles and relieve back pain only 23 minutes a day. It supports your perfect posture by pulling your shoulders back and activating your muscles. The muscle stimulation attachment tones and strengthens your core and back muscles, making good posture your natural posture. The 23 minutes postural and strengthening program was created by a team of physical therapists to effortlessly strengthen your body to stand up tall and straight. It will fix your posture from the foundation, keeping you upright all day, every day. By using the Upcore muscle stimulation for 23 minutes a day, you will notice your muscles becoming visibly stronger, more toned, and get effortless perfect posture after only a few weeks. Adopting good posture makes you healthier. It improves your balance, prevents back pains, injuries, headaches, fatigue, breathing, and your overall mood. Good posture also makes you look better. It makes you look taller, more powerful, attractive, and confident. Pot-sized Omega charger is the world's first 200-watt gallium nitride, GaN, charger and also the world's smallest 200-watt charger, that is up to 66% smaller than traditional chargers. All Omega chargers have the latest IC software that ensures it can support all iPhone 12's 20-watt fast charge speeds. It also comes in a 100 watts version, which is the world's smallest 100 watts GaN charger, similar to a box of Eclipse mints and even smaller than a credit card. With 200 watts of power, there's always more than enough power to share around with 4 ports, 2x USB-C power delivery 3.0 and 2x USB-A. Both 200 watts and 100 watts Omega charger supports 100 volts to 240 volts worldwide universal voltage and comes included with 3 plug converters, so that you can use it in 200 plus countries worldwide. The portability and high power means you will never need another charger for USB charging needs. A world's first 200W portable charger provides the ability to quick charge a laptop, 16-inch MacBook Pro, a tablet, smartphone, and mobile device all at the same time. Introducing Daya Smart Kitchen Steam Cleaner and Dishwasher, the world's first handheld dishwasher and jet steamer. Wall-mounted and portable, it puts the power of a dishwasher in the palm of your hand, getting your dishes sparkling clean without getting your hands dirty. Sleek yet powerful, the Daya uses a 221 degrees Fahrenheit jet of high-pressure steam to blitz through grease and germs, sterilizing your dishes without any soap or chemicals. So it's easy on your hands and easy on the environment. And the Daya is for more than just the kitchen. Its portable design means it goes where you go, so you can use the Daya to clean any room in your home. From embarrassing bathrooms to your dusty garage. The Daya's low-water design means it's 80% more efficient than doing dishes by hand. Just pour a small amount of water into the Daya and let the power of steam do the work. It uses a 221 degrees Fahrenheit jet of hot steam to cut through even the toughest dish grime. That's powerful enough to kill 99% of germs and viruses, all without using soap or filling the sink. So you'll never have to dip your hands in another bath of murky dish water. For spotless dishes, without getting your hands dirty. It's portable and powerful enough for any job in your home, from messes in the garage to mold in the bathroom. The 1.5 meter, 4.9 feet, power cable, and a 1.5 meter, 4.9 feet, hose combine for a full 3 meters, 9.8 feet, of cleaning range. Alpha Pillow 2.0 is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow, with air cell breathability, aqua gel cooling membrane, ultra-soft bamboo and pure silver fibers on micron scale for a highly effective 99.9% antibacterial, self-cleaning effect. Impinged nerves can trigger migraines, ensuring that your spine is aligned correctly in its natural position. It will minimize nerve irritation. It will also help to relieve muscle tension around the neck area. Alpha's bamboo charcoal-infused memory foam allows the pillow to mold into the shape of your head and neck, supporting the sensitive pressure areas to help you relax and help you fall asleep faster. Alpha's aqua gel cooling membrane provides instant coolness and ultimate comfort. If you require a warmer or softer side, simply flip the pillow upside down and enjoy your new experience. Alpha Pillow 2.0 is available in 2 sizes, standard and king.